So what's up? So I've checked the statistics of the channel and I found that you're watching only 30 to 40% of the video. It's like 3 to 4 minutes of the 10-minute video. So I request you to watch the whole video. It came out to be really good. And check the bottom left corner. You will find before and after. First before, then after. Fine, let's get started. Hey guys, what's up? In USA. Hey guys, what's up? In China.
3 weeks later,
What's up? In Sydney.
many months later,
Guys, what's up? In Paris. Hey guys, what's up? In Japan. Hey guys, what's up? I am in depression. Hey guys, what's up? I am in commotion. I don't know what to do. Hey guys, what's up? I am in suppression. Hey guys, what's up? I am in expression. Hey guys, what's up? Me in emotion. What actually happened was every year I used to go to 20 places. This year, out only I cannot go. When I was 4 year old during 2010, I used to think flying cars will be there in 2020. Now, flying planes are only not flying. Where do I go? Between these four worlds, I am trapped. Prisoners are also better than me. Come, bro, let's play cricket.
Let's go cricket.
Play catches.
Let's go, let's go. Bro, let's fly the drone. You sure about this? Yes.
I know I should say what, but this is very fun. Very fun. No one is here. Still no one is here. Still no one is here. I don't know, still they're not here. This is so fun. Bro, why don't I do something? What are you doing? Bro, do something else. Bro, this is only fun. Why don't you watch movies or do something? What can I do, bro? Movies, I have watched every single movie. Games, I can't go outside. Video games, I'm bored of it. I've spent so much time on video games, even the creator wouldn't have spent that much time by making it. And what else? Books. I have read every book in the house twice at least. Studies, I finished the whole portion 3 times. There's nothing else I can do. Except for this. Fine, continue. Do whatever. It's really fun. Join. There is a languid emerald sea where the sole inhabitant is me. I am an orphan roaming the street. I batten soft dust with my hushik bare feet. I am Rapunzel. I have not a care. Life in the tower in tranquil and rare. I'll certain never let down my bright hair. I don't know what to do in quarantine. Bro, I want to talk to you. Yeah, tell me, bro. Let's talk. Not here, bro. We'll meet somewhere and we'll talk. Not in phone. But why we'll talk in the phone only, no? Yeah. You think I am Ambani's grandson, no? Getting free Jio services. Or you think I'm Tarzan from Jungle Book, climbing cell towers and getting signals. Or do you think I am world's richest person to afford paying the phone bills? Bloody idiot. Who should I tell, bro? Last month I had to sell my Firefox bicycle to pay my phone bill, bro. It took me 20,000, bro. Who should I tell, bro? My phone bill is more than my salary, bro. Now cut the call and meet me in the park. Okay, bro. Chill. I'm coming to the park. We'll talk there. Idiot, this fellow. Selfish fellow only. Greedy, selfish pig only, this fellow. 2 crores he is getting salary. Still doesn't want to spend money in phone bills. Bloody idiot, re.
Ma always comes out of his house only, doesn't use the phone. Why does he even need the phone? Pretty idiot.
Call somebody. Hello, bro, what are you doing?
Yeah, bro, tell me, are you bored in quarantine?
I'm so much bored in quarantine, bro. I stopped skipping ads in YouTube.
You stopped skipping ads in YouTube? So you started watching the full ad in YouTube?
I'm watching all ads in YouTube. And I'm so much bored in quarantine, bro. I stopped writing shortcuts in WhatsApp, bro.
Oh my god. So you started writing I don't know instead of IDK, please instead of BLS, thank you instead of TQ, and okay instead of K. So you stopped using shortcuts completely in WhatsApp?
I'm so much bored in quarantine, bro. I started watching Chota Bheem. Yeah, bro. I started watching Chota Bheem also, bro.
You also started watching Chota Bhima. Me also, I also started. But bro, tell me.
A few moments later.
I came across this recipe, bro. It says how to make watermelon juice without watermelon, bro. Yeah, but it was really interesting, bro.
Whoa, send that recipe, okay? And WhatsApp me that YouTube link, okay? I want to see that recipe. Looks very interesting. Yeah. But dude, this was amazing thing which I saw. What happened?
2 hours later.
Bro, we have been talking like since ages. Won't you get any like phone bills or something? Do you worried about phone bills? I think we should meet now. It's been like
Safety inside, virus outside. You want to go out, you won't go out. You will go to hell only directly, waste fellow. Talk in the phone. What's your problem? Want to meet it since when everything was normal, you were lazy to come out of the house. Now you want to go out. Talk in phone. Bloody.
okay, fine, leave it. Okay, we'll talk in the phone only, don't worry. But what I was telling was,
Many months later.
I think that Chutki is allergic to laddus. That's why she never eats it, even though she has her own shop. That's why she gives it to Bean. I think they'll highlight this in the next season of Chota Bean. Yeah.
bro, yeah, you're 100% right. She's definitely energetic, bro. Yeah. Oh, bro, it's been like so much time. I should go now. Fine, bye, bro. See you later. I mean, talk to you later. Bye.
Yeah, bro. Okay, fine. Bye, bro. Phone bill 3 crores.
I sold my bicycle last month. This month, my car is gone. I'm 100%. I'm home. I'll have something to eat. Bro, wash your hands before eating. Bro, you only wash your hands. Yes, bro. What happened? Wash your hands, bro. Do I look like a gutter cleaner, like a drainage cleaner? Do I look like a garbage lifter? Or do I look like a miner who digs for gold? Huh? Who do I look like, huh? Bloody idiot. Where did I go? You tell me, where did I go? Why should I wash my hands? Tell me. Where did I go? I just went there, played half an hour with my friends. From there I went to the shop, bought some vegetables. From there I went to the garage and then I repaired few parts of my car. That's it, I came in. Just 1.5 or 2 hours I was out. You want me to wash my hands for this? Why do you waste my time, okay? You should save water. What does this doctor say? Save water. I'm not washing my hands. And I'm not wasting water, okay?
Sorry, bro. Sorry.
Get out.
Sorry, bro.
Get out. Still there. Get out. From morning I'm sitting here only. I'll eat something.
Wait there. Just wait there. Wash your hands.
What happened, bro?
Wash your hands, you idiot.
Whole day I'm in the house only. Why should I clean it, bro?
So what if you're in the house? Clean your damn hands, you stinky.
Okay, bro. I'm coming.
Chi, what are you eating?
It's the best
Idiot.
combination, bro. You won't understand. It's a bit bitter though, but yeah, it's okay. I wash my hands, okay? Don't worry.
Yeah, and I forgot to tell you, I added sanitizer in the cookie and liquid hand wash in the what?
Bye, bro. bro, I'm going to the park. Bye bro, I'm going out. I'm going to the museum. Bye bro, I'm going to the zoo. I know that monkey, one big monkey, whatever it is I'm saying. But still I'm going to the zoo to see tigers like me. I don't know where, but I'm going. Bye bye. Bro, I'm going to the balcony. Bro, I'm going to the bathroom. Bro, I'm going to bed. Bro, I'm going to sleep. Did you put 2 drops of sanitizer, bro? Is given 1 drop kills 99.9% germs. So what if that 0.1% is corona? That's why I put 2 drops, which would kill that 1.1% germ also. Smart. Good idea. But the groceries are over. I think you should go get it. I'll get the groceries. Let's go to get groceries. Hey guys, what's up? So I hope you liked the video, and the boredom thing of the tabs, the peeking into the bathroom, and the corner depression, all these 3 are ideas of Srinivas, so I'm giving him the courtesy. The poem is mine, but the basic idea of those 3 is Srinivas's. And I have made a playlist of funniest corona and lockdown comedy. Do check that out. It consists of previous 3 videos. First is lockdown side effects, then it has lockdown with twin, it has lockdown life, which is this video. So if you want to check that last 3 videos and the corona series, then click right there. If you have missed Summer, I'm making all these videos by myself because still I'm stuck, and if you miss Summer then Srinivas and you want to see them, then click right there. I recommend you to watch this video. Click here, playlist video, playlist video, playlist video. Come on, click something guys. Bye bye.